everyone, welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today we have an exciting review for you as we dive into the world of subwoofers. Specifically, we'll be taking a closer look at the Yamaha Subwoofer, known for its powerful bass and impressive performance. So, let's jump right in. Okay, let's take a closer look at what's inside the box by unboxing. So my daughter today was really interested to unbox this particular subwoofer, and she was really excited to do so. So I just gave an opportunity for her to do this unboxing. She was like super happy. Okay, let's move on and see what's inside the box. As she started unboxing, she opened it very gently, and when she opened it, we saw a set of paperwork as usual. That's nothing but the Yamaha warranty papers, audio warranty, user manual. So that is really useful for us to set up the subwoofer, and we had even the product registration paper. So apart from that, we have a subwoofer underneath all these paperworks, and she was gentle enough to hold it and remove it from the box. I thought she was not able to lift it because it was weighing around 8 to 9 kgs, but she was quite strong enough to lift the subwoofer and keep it gently. Okay, now it's time to unwrap this subwoofer. She's doing a pretty good job. Now let's talk about the design of the Yamaha subwoofer. It features a sleek and modern look that can easily blend into any home theater or audio setup. The build quality is exceptional, with sturdy construction that ensures durability and longevity. Now, what really sets the Yamaha subwoofer apart is its incredible bass performance. This subwoofer is equipped with a high quality driver and amplifier combination, which delivers deep and impactful bass that enhances your audio experience. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, you will feel the rumble and richness that the Yamaha subwoofer brings to the table. Now, let's talk about its features and specifications. This subwoofer features an 8-inch woofer and delivers up to 50 watts of RMS power or up to 100 watts of peak power. With a frequency response of 28 to 200 Hz, the SW050 will boost the bass for all your listening material. The current price of this product is around $179.99 US. Let's talk about connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the Yamaha subwoofer offers versatility. It features both wired and wireless options, allowing you to easily connect it to your audio system. You can use the subwoofer's RCA inputs for a wired connection or take advantage of its wireless capabilities if your setup supports it. It's great to have the flexibility to choose the connection method that suits your needs best. Setting up the Yamaha subwoofer is a breeze. It comes with initiative controls and adjustable settings that allow you to fine-tune the bass to your preference. With features like phase control and crossover adjustment, you can customize the subwoofer's performance to perfectly complement your existing speakers and room acoustics. It ensures that you get the best possible audio output tailored to your specific setup. In terms of performance, the Yamaha subwoofer truly shines. It delivers a well balanced and clean bass response without overpowering the rest of the audio spectrum. The bass is tight, punchy, and detailed, adding depth and impact to your favorite movies or music. It truly enhances the overall audio immersion and brings an extra layer of excitement to your entertainment experience. And that wraps our review of the Yamaha subwoofer. We have been really impressed with its design, powerful bass, and overall performance. If you're looking to take your home theater or audio setup to the next level, the Yamaha subwoofer is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this review helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.